Hello friends, welcome back to DevOps Hint. In this video, we are going to learn how to create S3 bucket in AWS. So what is S3? S3 means simple storage service, and in Amazon, simple storage service is an object storage service that offers data availability, security and performance. And you can use Amazon S3 to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time from anywhere. So let's create S3 bucket. So firstly, we need to go to the ES3 bucket. So you can see in my recently visited services, ES3, Amazon Simple Storage Service. So before click on this ES3, you can see here my region is Mumbai. And now I'm going to click on this ES3. After that, you can see here now it's global, because when we create bucket, Amazon S3 bucket, that we need to choose our region. So that's why here you can see in region global. So now you can see here, this is my dashboard of S3 bucket. So you can see here we are in Amazon S3, and here you can see buckets. So now we are going to create bucket. So you can see here, as of now, I have 2 buckets, and now we are going to create third. So click on create bucket. Now you can see here, firstly we need to enter bucket name. And here you can see bucket name must be unique and must not contain spaces or uppercase letter. So bucket name must be unique. So enter any unique bucket name. So my bucket name will be demo bucket. Then you can see here we need to choose region, as I told you, AWS region. So here my region will be Asia Pacific Mumbai AP South -1. Then scroll down. After that, you can see a block public access setting for this bucket. So here I will choose block public access to bucket and object granted through new public bucket or access point policies, and fourth one also. After that, I acknowledged, because turning off block of all public access, that's why I acknowledged. And then if you want add any tags, so you can add. After that, click on create bucket. So you can say they give us error, the bucket with the same name already exists. So my bucket name will be demo bucket 9. It's also already exists, 99 999. Okay, we need to change our bucket name. So my bucket name will be sample bucket 999. Okay, it's sample bucket 9. So let's create. Click on create bucket. So you can see a successfully created bucket with the name sample bucket 9. You can see my bucket sample bucket 9. And if I scroll down, you can see my AWS region, Asia Pacific, Mumbai. And in access, you can see a object can be public. Okay, now click on sample bucket 9, that our bucket we have just created. And now here you can see here, if you want, then you can create folder, then you can upload files in a specific folder. So now let's upload any file here. So click on upload. And now here, if you want add any folder, then you can add a folder. And now I'm going to add files. So click on add files. And here I am going to add these two images. Click on open. Now choose these two images, check it, and now click on upload. So you can see it's uploading. So upload success. So if I scroll down here, you can see the status succeed. That means we have successfully uploaded these two images. So let's click on this first image, image1.jpg. And now you can see here the details of our image1.jpg. So you can see in properties, you can see owner, then AWS region, S3 URL, Amazon resource name, and last modified, size, type, key name, and all. Now, if you want to access to this JPG image, so click, copy this URL and hit on browser. So you can see this XML file does not appear. That it give us error, access denied, because it's not public right now. So let's make it public. So go to the permissions. ACL enables. I acknowledged. And then click on save changes. After that, go to the permissions. Go to the objects, and now select image. Then go to the permission. Then click on edit. You can see here object owner and the access control list ACL, object read and object ACL read or write for only object owner, not for everyone. So let's make public access. So click on edit, and here you need to check it from public. You can see here everyone for public access, check it for read for public access, and then click on I understand. Then save changes for only image 1. We have uploaded 2 images, right? And now let's copy this object URL and hit on browser. So you can see here my image. And if I refresh this page also, you can see the image. This is my image 1. So now go to the image2.jpg and let's check. Let's check on browser. Now let's check on browser it is accessible or not. So copy the URL of second image. So you can see access denied because it's not public, right? So firstly we need to make it public. So go to the permissions, then click on access control list edit and make it public. You can see here object owners read or write and For public, we need to check it, read, and then I understand the efforts of this change on this object, and then save changes. So you can see a successfully edited access control list of object image2.jpg. So let's check on browser. Now refresh the page. Now you can see the second image. This is our first image and this is our second image, right? So if you want to send this URL to your friend, then you can send this URL to your friend and they can also access this image on browser because it's public now, right? So that's the S3 bucket that we have created. So in this video, we have learned how to create S3 bucket in AWS. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the video and it's helpful to you. So please like, share and subscribe our DevOps channel.